Want to save 50,000 rupees or $600 this year without earning more? Here's what I stopped buying, and how you can too. I used to waste money on things I thought were small until I added them up. Let me show you the 10 things I cut out and how my life got simpler and richer. 1. Daily coffee runs, 3,000 rupees per month. Skipped the cafe coffee and brewed at home. Saved over 36,000 rupees a year. 2nd, impulse online buys. Uninstalled shopping apps. Now I add items to cart and wait 24 hours. 90% of the time, I never go back. 3. Multiple streaming subscriptions. Kept just one we actually use. Goodbye FOMO. Hello, 4,000 rupees saved annually. 4. Expensive skin hair products. Switch to minimalist skincare. Same results, half the cost. 5. Trendy stationery, home decor. Bought only what we needed. No more pretty but pointless clutter. 6. Food delivery. Cut down to once a week. Cooking at home, save 12,000 rupees plus a year. 7. Branded water bottles, snacks. Outside, carry my own. It's healthier and adds up to big savings. 8. Overpriced gifts. Started giving thoughtful DIY or experience-based gifts. 9. Unnecessary kids' toys. Focused on quality, not quantity. Less mess, more savings. 10. Clothes shopping just in case. Followed a capsule wardrobe. Less is truly more. Cutting these things not only saved money, it decluttered my life and made me mindful of what truly matters. If you're trying to simplify life and grow financially, try cutting just 3 of these. You'll feel the difference. Which of these are you going to stop buying? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Simplify and Grow for more real-life hacks.